Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to convert YouTube video to text. If you've been searching for a way to transcribe YouTube videos into text paragraphs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To convert YouTube videos to text paragraphs, first of all, open the YouTube video you want to convert to text and copy its URL. Once you've copied the link, type tactiq.io in your browser address bar and press enter. Don't worry, I've added the link of this website in the description box as well. Now, you'll see a page like this. Hover over the product menu at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and click on YouTube Transcript under the AI Tools section. Now, a new page opened. Paste the YouTube video link you copied into the box and click the Get Video Transcript button. This AI tool will display the transcript of everything spoken in the video. But wait, there's more. I'll also show you how to turn that transcript into readable paragraphs using another AI tool. You can either download the transcript or click the copy button to grab all the text. Once copied, open Notepad or MS Word on your computer and paste the text there. At the top of the text, you'll notice a few extra lines. Just delete them. After that, type something like, "Summarize this into casual conversational paragraphs" at the top of the document. Now, select all the text, copy it, and open ChatGPT in a new tab. Paste the text into the ChatGPT text box and press enter. ChatGPT will start generating paragraphs for you instantly. And that's it. Now you have clean, readable text paragraphs from your video. This is how you can transcribe YouTube videos into text for free.